it keeps getting easier with every stride.
The military changed me. After my second deployment, I was about to go on my third, when a motorcycle accident changed everything. The battle I now face is both mental and physical. There are days that my brain doesn't want to, or my body says that it can't. And for too long, I listened to both. But never trying is failing, isn't it? Before I got hurt, I wasn't scared of anything, and then I became afraid of everything. I felt like I wasn't capable of staying active or even success. I feared failure, and it left me in a state of being inactive. I was more depressed, and I hurt all the time. So I started doing some of the things I loved again. I picked up my bike, I went to the gym. I found a veteran group that helped me navigate my injuries through swimming, and I began to push myself again. Push myself past the boundaries that everyone had set for me. And I'm always on the move, so I have stress all the time. I'm constantly from one state to the next while doing school. So exercise is no longer an option. It's essential, so that way I can be the person that people need me to be. And thanks to Team Adobe, I am now preparing for my first sprint triathlon. And I may not do well, but it's not about winning. It's about the mental resilience that I'm building along the way and proving to myself that I can. For too long, I made excuses. I believed I wasn't capable. I let my injuries define me, let fear and doubt control me. But embracing discomfort is what helps make us resilient. Instead, I now run towards the challenges I fear, proving that we're all capable of more than we believe we are.
So, what steps will you take next?
Yeah.